Elon Musk is about to revolutionize AI training with a massive $10 billion investment. You won't believe what's coming next. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur and disruptor, is a name synonymous with innovation. From revolutionizing online payments with PayPal to spearheading space exploration with SpaceX, Musk's influence on the tech landscape is undeniable. His electric vehicle company Tesla has transformed the automotive industry, pushing the boundaries of design and technology. Now, Tesla is poised for another seismic shift with a staggering $10 billion investment in AI training for the year 2024. This investment underscores the critical role AI plays in the future of transportation, promising to enhance Tesla's self-driving capabilities, optimize vehicle performance, and potentially usher in a new era of autonomous mobility. Despite the remarkable progress in artificial intelligence, the technology still confronts significant limitations. Current AI systems often lack the ability to reason across different domains, known as common sense. This hampers their ability to adapt to novel situations and make nuanced decisions like humans can. Additionally, most AI models remain heavily dependent on the quality and structure of their training data. Biases or inaccuracies in data can lead to flawed results, requiring careful management to avoid perpetuating societal prejudice. Advanced AI training aims to tackle these challenges head-on. By exposing AI models to vast and diverse data sets, researchers hope to instill a more robust understanding of the world, improving adaptability. This training will push the boundaries of machine reasoning capabilities, potentially enabling AI systems to make more informed and reliable decisions, particularly in real-world applications. Investment in AI training also promises to unlock new levels of creativity, where AI can play a greater role in generating original ideas or solutions. With a $10 billion investment, Tesla has the power to significantly accelerate the development of advanced AI models and training infrastructure. This could lead to breakthroughs in AI algorithms and techniques, potentially unlocking new capabilities, like highly nuanced decision-making or more seamless human-AI collaboration across different applications. Such advancements lay the foundation for groundbreaking innovation across Tesla's diverse product lines. In the realm of autonomous driving, Tesla's investment promises to fuel the development of AI systems with extraordinary perception and navigation capabilities. This translates to self-driving cars that can handle even the most complex and unpredictable real-world scenarios with precision and reliability. Such progress paves the way for increased safety on the roads and, ultimately, a future where autonomous vehicles become the norm. One of the most exciting potential breakthroughs lies in the realm of truly intelligent robots. Tesla's investment could turbocharge the creation of AI systems that allow robots to perform complex and nuanced tasks in unpredictable environments. This could lead to robots being deployed in warehouses, factories, and even homes, revolutionizing efficiency and productivity across various sectors. Tesla's focus on AI training could also transform the way we interact with technology. We could witness the rise of highly sophisticated digital assistants that go beyond simple commands to understand context and offer tailored support in our personal and professional lives. Imagine a future where AI assistants help manage our schedules, anticipate our needs, and collaborate with us on projects in an unprecedentedly fluid way. Tesla's colossal $10 billion investment in AI training for 2024 signifies a game changer. This investment aims to overcome current AI limitations by providing vast training data, fostering a new era of intelligent and adaptable AI. The impact goes beyond Tesla, potentially revolutionizing autonomous driving, energy efficiency, robotics, human-computer interaction, and even the medical field with breakthroughs in diagnostics and treatments. This investment marks a giant leap towards a future powered by a more nuanced AI, transforming not just Tesla's products, but potentially the very foundation of various industries. Before we wrap up, don't forget to share your thoughts on Tesla's AI training investment. And hey, why not subscribe for more updates on Elon Musk and the latest tech innovations? Stay tuned, folks.